Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to be doing our June BoxyCharm unboxing. I keep forgetting what month it is, but before we start I do want to clip my hair up because it's just kind of been in my face and it's just kind of just doing things. So yeah, I just got my box and I'm really excited. I know one of the products that I got. Well, I kind of know one of the products I got. I don't know what shade I got, but I know one of the products. So I'm excited about that one. So hopefully it's a shade that I really like. So I just got the base box, which is $25. So as soon as you open it, you get the pamphlet and it lets you know the theme of the month. And this month is the Oasis. And on the back, it tells you all the products you're getting as well as the retail value. And I'm getting a couple other pamphlets, which are kind of spoilers, so I'm a bit excited. So, okay. Ooh. Okay. So this is the box. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the first product that I picked, and that is, I feel like I need to just, this foam thing is lifting up like this and it's just kind of in my way. So I'm gonna take this out because it's kind of just driving me crazy. Okay, so the first product is the product that I picked out, and it is from Artist Couture. It is their Diamond Glow Powder, and I got the shade Illuminati. So I love their highlighters. They're beautiful. There is glitter and shimmer in there, so if you're someone who doesn't like glitter and shimmer, you're not gonna like these highlighters, but I don't mind. I love it. I think they're just absolutely beautiful, and you can use them as eyeshadow also. So let me try to, I don't remember, so there's a couple of their highlighters that I really want, and this was one of them. The other one is Gold Digger, which, yeah. So this is what it looks like. So the highlighter is $27. Yeah, it's $27. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna try to open this properly because I know some people are having issues, but what you need to do is you need to just turn the tab and there's gonna be a little sticker piece over here, and that's what you're gonna pull up. And it would help a lot if I had tweezers here. I left them in the bathroom. Oh wait, actually my nails are pretty short, so I think I can do this fairly easy. Oh yes, that was actually incredible. Okay, so I'm gonna take, oh, I just want to swatch a little bit of this. Okay, wait. I don't want too much product to come out, but we're gonna do a little swatching. Yeah, we're just gonna do a little swatching. So with these highlighters, a little goes a really long way. Usually you just only need to work off the cap. This is really pretty. Oh my god. Okay, so I wasn't sure if I was gonna like this as much as I think I do. So I don't really have a lot of highlighter on, and I normally don't do little try-ons or, you know, testing products out, but there's no palette in the box. I know that's kind of a spoiler, but there's no palette. We're just gonna test this out. So I'm taking a little bit. I just wanna, oh yeah, this is so pretty. So this just looks like the perfect gold and champagne highlighter. Wow, that's so nice. Okay. Okay, that's really nice. Okay, so we're just gonna put this aside. I'm really excited about this. Next product that I'm super excited about because the pamphlet came in. It actually kind of just like popped up on the top, so I got a sneak peek. It's the Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner. I've never tried any of her skincare products from her line, but this is the foaming face wash. This is actually one of the products that I did want to try out. I've heard really, really good reviews on it or about it, so very, very excited. Okay, so nice little foam pump. I'm obviously not going to pump any of this out, but I will try this out tonight when I take the rest of my makeup off. But this retails you for $24, and I actually don't really know. I didn't really look into all of her products, so I don't really know everything that's in there. It has kiwi seed oil, vitamin C, E, and just maintains moisture and improves elasticity. And it just helps remove dirt, oil, and all your makeup for a really nice, fresh, bright complexion. So I am very, very excited. This was the pamphlet that kind of gave me a little sneak peek. I was excited as soon as I saw it. Not sure if, yeah, I was just really excited because I thought this was a product that was only going to be in the luxe boxes. So I'm glad that I got this. So we will test that out later. The next product is this guy right here. This is from First Aid Beauty Fab, and this is Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA. It's an exfoliant, and what is this supposed to do? So it's a fast-acting resurfacing body treatment that contains chemical and physical exfoliators that work together to deliver benefits of a chemical peel and microderm at once. So it's supposed to help improve your skin's texture, smooth away any bumps, roughness, or stubborn, scaly areas. That actually seems really, really good. So this retails you for $18. I do have little tiny bumps. There's not too many. It's actually over here. I thought it was over here. It's actually right over here. It's super minimal. So I'm going to see how well that works, and I'm going to try to just use it in those little areas. So very, very excited about this. Let me see what it smells like. I like smelling things. I don't know what it smells like. I'm really bad at placing scents, and I don't know what it smells like. Let me try to, there's a little bit on there. It has a really nice grittiness to it, so hopefully that's gonna work really, really well. I'm hoping for good results with that. So the next product is this right here. This is the QMS Lip Line Corrector. It's a lip serum. Never had or used a lip serum, so I'm not really sure how this works. It's formulated exclusively for the upper lip area. It targets fine lines and wrinkles. High performance, lightweight serum. Hydrate and plump lips for smoother, youthful appearance. I do have little wrinkly lips, so hopefully this works. I don't know. I've never tried something like this before. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. So I was trying to, yeah, pull this off. You need to turn and twist. So let's try to pump a little bit. I don't want to waste it. It's like, I think it's coming out. I hear it. Oh, okay. So it's just like a really runny, milky consistency. It doesn't feel oily, it doesn't feel greasy, it just feels like it's going to dissolve into your lips really, really well. I'm a little picky with serums because sometimes they can feel a little tacky and just sticky. A little tacky and sticky, but I don't think I'm gonna have that problem with this. Okay, hopefully this works. We'll see. Let me know if you've tried this before. I know they've talked about this in previous boxes, so let me know if you've tried it or if you tried any other lip line correctors. I'm kind of curious to see how that's gonna do or be. And the last product is from Pure Release. This is the Perfect Glow BB Cream with SPF 30. It's oil-free, moisturizing, natural looking coverage, matte meets glowy finish, good for all skin types, even sensitive. Okay, so, oh wait, did I tell you how much? Oh wow, okay, I'm sorry. I didn't tell you how much the lip line corrector retails for. $200. Yeah. I'm glad I only pumped a very small amount to show you guys. Yeah, that's $200. That's extremely up there. Okay, so back to this because I completely forgot. This retails you for $35. Let me get that out of the way before I forget. And it gives you a gorgeous matte meets dewy finish, multitasking beauty balm, glides on like a tinted moisturizer with age-defining coverage, sunscreen benefits with a foundation and BB cream. So I'm a little nervous because this is light medium and I'm not normally light medium. I'm usually medium deep. So I'm hoping that this works well for my skin tone. Oh, that's too light. Okay, so that's the BB cream. This is what I was afraid of. As soon as I saw light medium, got a little nervous. I've definitely filled out my BoxyCharm box, letting them know that I am tan to deep since I am pretty tan right now. But this is not gonna work. There's no way I'm gonna be able to make this work. So a little bummed out about that, especially because I've been wanting to try a BB cream, especially when we go to outdoor events. And I'm just trying to have a little bit of protection with my face, but nothing super full coverage or, you know, just really, really light coverage. But that's a little bit disappointing, but I don't know, maybe in the winter time, I don't know. But out of all, oh my God. Oh. Okay, but out of all the products that I got, these three, I am the most excited about. The most. I'm extremely excited about this highlighter. I just love their highlighters. It's just so pretty. This I'm very excited about. I should probably take this out of the box because I do want to try this out tonight. So I'm just gonna put that there so I don't forget it in here. Things just kind of get scattered. And this I am super excited about. I'm really hoping that this works. It also says use once or twice a week as tolerated, and it's not for your face. So this is just primarily a body bump eraser scrub. But yeah, overall, I'm really excited about this box. So I'm going to end this video here. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know if you've tried any of these products, what you think about it. And yeah, I'm going to end this video here. I will see you in the next one. Bye.